Today I'm going to talk about the best riding lawnmower available on the market. At number 1, Husqvarna YTH24V48 24 HP yard tractor. For performance that you can rely on and quality services you can trust, this premium yard tractor is your best bet. The size is compact and so occupies less space and makes it easy for you to maneuver around the yard. It comes with a feature mounted on the fender that allows you to adjust the height and the seat easily. The steering wheel is ergonomic, simple, and comfortable, making it very easy to operate. It comes with transmissions that vary the forward and reverse speed, offer you smooth operation. At number 2, Husqvarna MZ61 27 horsepower zero-turn riding mower. This mower offers you a performance level that is superior to what you already get with other mowers in the same category. There are single-wheel drives made of hydraulics that allow you to precisely maneuver the mower and rotate it without having to turn the radius. The steering is very comfortable, the seat very supportive even when you are going on extended rides. The controls are ergonomic, allowing you to easily adjust the steering. It comes with indicators that alert you when you should give your mower a servicing. At number 3, Troy-Bilt 540cc Intek automatic riding lawn mower. With a powerful and reliable engine that gives you high-quality performance, this is your go-to lawnmower. It is durable and allows you to power manually and mow even in reverse. Its efficiency is top-notch, and it gets even the hardest lawns jobs done. It is easy to use and the seat is very comfortable, with steering wheel that is very soft and ergonomical. Because this mower comes with a wash system on the deck, it is easy to clean and maintain, and it is easily adjustable.